Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money from your Coinbase wallet to your bank account using Swissborg. Make sure to watch the video until the end not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. To sign up for Swissborg, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description. Or once you see the first link in the comment section below, click on it and it will redirect you to this page right here. Copy this code and scan this QR code. Once you download the application and sign up, deposit some money, you will get the chance to win up to 100 euros in the lottery ticket that they provide from the application. As you can see right here, I'm doing the exact same steps. And then once you verify all your details, voila, now you have access to the application. Now that you have installed Swissborg and all good, all you have to do is open your Coinbase, and then from here in the main section, go to your portfolio, which is going to be the second button. Now from here, from your assets, go to your Coinbase, and then from here you can see your cryptocurrencies. So we're going to choose Solana and then click on transfer. And so from here, it's going to tell you receive crypto or send crypto. We're going to use send crypto. And then from here, we're going to need some information. To get it, all you have to do is go to your Swissborg and then from here log in. And then from here, it's going to send you to the main page. So you're going to click on the portfolio. From here, you're going to click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, it will give you an address that you're going to have to copy, which is going to be one of those cryptocurrencies that you own. So from here, once you copy it, all you have to do is paste it here. And now you're going to choose whatever amount that you might like. So for example, $50, preview it, and then it's going to ask you where you're going to send it. So either self-custody, which is going to be Coinbase itself, or exchange. Click on exchange, and then from here select whatever Coinbase that you would like to for exchange. So I'm going to click on Coinbase again. And then from here, you're going to wait for it, and then it will ask where you're sending it to. So I'm going to click to sending to myself and whatever country you might have. Once you click continue, it's going to send the funds to your account. And then from here, you're going to go back to Swissborg. And then from Swissborg, you're going to have to go to your coin, whichever cryptocurrency that you might have chosen, and then simply click on exchange in the bottom. Now from here, you're going to exchange from whatever coin that you have exchanged for, and then sell it to fiat currency such as euros, USD, or British pounds. From here, you're going to click on the currency that you have, and then from here, click on withdraw on the bottom left. Then it's going to ask you to add a bank account. Click on it, and then choose whatever country that your bank account is going to be from. Then click on next. And then I understand, and now all you have to do is fill in your IBAN address from your bank account, select whatever amount you would like to withdraw, and there you go. Now you have it in your bank account in less than 24 hours with the least amount of fees using Swissborg. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.